Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make money using durable AI website builder in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, side hustler, or small business owner, this tool can help you start earning online faster than ever. Let's jump in. So, what is durable? Durable is an AI powered website builder that creates a full website in under 30 seconds, complete with design, copy, services, and contact forms. That speed makes it perfect for launching businesses quickly and yes, also for making money online. Method 1. Sell websites as a service. Free freelance website building. You can offer instant website creation to local businesses or entrepreneurs who need an online presence but don't have time or budget for traditional web development. Here's how. Use Durable to generate a site in minutes. So then charge $100 to $500 plus depending on the customization. Offer extras, domain setup, copywriting, image optimization. Clients, local plumbers, salons, fitness coaches, consultants, all great niches. Method 2. Start a micro business with Durable. Use Durable to start a business first. You can use Durable to launch your own side hustle today. Examples: freelance services. Set up a site for yourself as a designer, writer, or video editor. Consulting or coaching, personal brand, websites in minutes. Digital products. Sell templates, ebooks, courses using payment links. The key is speed. Durable lets you test ideas fast without months of setup. Method 3. AI blog writing for affiliate income. Now, generate blog content or monetize with affiliate links. Durable's built-in AI blog writer can generate SEO friendly content. You can create a niche blog like fitness, finance, pets, etc. And affiliate links to tools, Amazon products, or digital offers. Promote on social media or through SEO. It's passive income once it starts ranking, and Durable makes content creation super fast. Create lead gen sites and sell the lead. Use Durable to make simple service area sites like plumbers in Miami or best mobile machines or best mobile mechanics in Dallas. Then connect a form or WhatsApp link, capture leads, sell those leads to local businesses or charge a monthly fee. It's like renting out a digital billboard and Durable builds the whole site for you. Use it to fulfill orders on Fiverr or Upwork. List a gig like I will create a beautiful website in 24 hours. Use Durable to build the page Offer basic edits and branding, deliver quickly and professionally. Because of the AI, you can take more orders without spending hours on each one. Tips to maximize earnings. Offer maintenance plans. Charge $10 to $30 per month for edits, updates, backups. Bundle with other services like logo design, use Canva, SEO setup, social media links. Niche down. Focus on one industry like real estate agents or therapists to increase trust and pricing. Use a custom domain looks more professional when showing off sample sites. So there you have it, five real ways to make money with durable AI in 2025. Whether you are launching a business, freelancing, or building income streams, this tool saves time and opens doors. If you want a full tutorial on how to sell websites or use AI blogging for affiliate income, let me in the comments. So, is durable AI worth it in 2025? Yes, if you want a beautiful functional website in minutes without any technical skills, it's not the most customizable platform, but for speed and simplicity, it's unmatched right now. Let me know what you think of durable in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start building. The money is in the speed. Just click start for free. Follow the process, like what type of business are you building, like plumber. Then next, enter your location, enter business name like video editor, logo designer, then just click generate website. That's it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.